Hello to everyone who likes gardens and walks. Today's video more about gardening than about walks, but I hope you will like it. Today we will talk about plants which are suitable for very dry areas, such as rockeries, rock gardens, and also pot planting. Because if you have irrigation system in your garden, it's fine. But if not and summer is really hot, so your pots will dry very quickly and you will just spend all your time with water can. Who wants to do it? I don't think what a lot of you. But there are plenty of plants who will nicely cope with hot, dry weather, and they are also very pretty, have got beautiful flowers and leaves, and you could use it for your garden. In this case, you will have less work. In this collection, I'm trying to show you not just plants itself, but also how they are used and, of course, their names, which will help you to find more information about it. This abrieta with variegated leaves looks very pretty. I like and flowers and leaves, and altogether looks fantastic. I'm absolutely adore Lewisia. This plant has got so many different colors and quite large flowers for rockery plant. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Lewisias are perennial flowering plants native to western North American habitats, including rocky outcrops from the high elevation alpine to lower elevation. They produce rosette-shaped flowers in a range of different colors, like I said. About half of Lewisia species are deciduous, and they are not very difficult to grow after the plant will be established in your garden. Most of the plants what I'm showing you now are suitable for your garden to grow in open. It's just in the cold frame house because it was shot in winter. For better display and earlier flowering, they were put there. And of course, you could appreciate and diversity and beauty of all these plants. So you could choose what you like and bring to your garden, almost all of them. Of course, for any plant, you should consider right climate zone, but it is plenty to choose from. The leaves of Lewisia look quite nice, they are very architectural, but the flowers are just adorable. And you also have choice of the colors. Look at this Primula flamenca, how it's unusual and how it's pretty. The color of leaves, lime green color and very delicate light blue flowers. This is very interesting samples how you could organize your rock garden in very limited spaces. Use of stones is fantastic and plants in this environment looks very natural, but also you could use big ceramic terracotta pots which were broken. You could use them for rockeries and they look very nice as well. You could have a look for ideas in Pinterest and in other medias, but think about it before throwing away broken terracotta pots. Pulminaria is probably favorite from the drought-tolerant plants, and it's got not just nice range of colors, also very pretty seed heads. With these plants you could create very interesting compositions, and everything depends just from you and your creativity. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, please support us with thumb up, please leave your comment and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you again. Bye bye.